Welcome to AI Beat, your go-to source for the latest in artificial intelligence and tech innovation. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to the Daily Flash Trends newsletter for daily insights that keep you informed and inspired. Now let's dive into what's shaping the world of AI today. Finally, on the financial side, new integrations are unifying enterprise analytics. NowSight's QuickBooks connection brings AI-powered insights directly into financial operations, helping mid-market businesses make smarter decisions faster. This convergence of finance and AI is redefining how organizations understand and act on their financial data. As we look at all these developments, what stands out is the incredible speed at which AI is advancing across sectors, from scientific discovery and healthcare to enterprise automation and robotics. Each breakthrough not only opens new possibilities, but also raises important questions about regulation, ethics, and trust. Thanks for tuning in to AI Beat. Which of these trends do you think will have the biggest impact on your work or industry? Share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your insights. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you next time. Imagine a world where discovering new materials happens in a fraction of the time it used to take. That's the reality now, thanks to a breakthrough from the University of Chicago. They've developed a new AI model capable of exploring enormous chemical spaces with minimal data, dramatically accelerating the search for advanced battery electrolytes. This innovation could revolutionize energy storage and pave the way for more sustainable energy solutions. The message here is clear. AI is becoming an essential tool in solving some of our most complex scientific challenges. Meanwhile, in healthcare, transparency and trust are taking center stage. Researchers have introduced AtriNet, an interpretable AI model designed for biomedical imaging diagnostics. Unlike traditional black box algorithms, AtriNet offers clear explanations for its decisions, leveraging class-specific counterfactuals. This development is a significant step towards safer, more reliable medical AI, ensuring clinicians can understand and trust AI-driven insights to improve patient outcomes. But as AI advances, so do concerns about regulation and privacy. Advocacy groups are sounding alarms, urging Congress to resist efforts that would loosen oversight of AI and data governance. They warn that without proper rules, civil liberties could be at risk, and industry power could grow unchecked. This ongoing debate highlights a vital point. As AI becomes more embedded in our lives, balancing innovation with safeguards is more important than ever. On the deployment front, the pace of AI adoption is accelerating rapidly. A new cloud framework called AI Fusion, launched by AllCloud, promises to make enterprise AI deployment 70% faster. That means businesses can go from concept to implementation much more swiftly, gaining a competitive edge in a crowded marketplace. Speeding up AI deployment not only reduces costs, but also enables organizations to respond more agilely to market demands. In the realm of customer engagement, automation is reaching new heights. HubSpot and 4CRMs have rolled out major updates focused on AI-driven automation, unifying customer data and streamlining workflows. For businesses, this means less manual work and more time spent on meaningful interactions, transforming customer relationship management into a smarter, more efficient process. Enterprise analytics are also evolving with agentic AI, autonomous systems that can analyze data and make decisions with minimal human input. Altair's recent updates to RapidMiner expand these capabilities, allowing enterprises to automate complex analytics tasks and uncover insights faster. This shift toward autonomous decision-making tools signals a future where AI-driven insights become a seamless part of strategic planning. Scientific research is not left behind. Data-efficient machine learning approaches are now mapping complex chemical reactions, promising to speed up discoveries in materials science and pharmaceuticals. By automating the exploration of reaction networks, scientists can accelerate innovation and bring new products to market more quickly. Academic institutions are investing heavily in AI infrastructure, recognizing its role in interdisciplinary research. The University of Alabama's recent investments in high-performance computing exemplify this commitment, enabling breakthroughs across diverse scientific fields and fostering a new era of academic innovation. And let's not forget the physical side of AI. RoboForce's Titan robot has shattered sales records with over 11,000 orders across industries. From manufacturing to logistics, intelligent robots are moving from experimental prototypes to essential tools, transforming industries with their ability to operate autonomously and efficiently.